Welcome back. Today we are looking at two very nice vaporizers, the Venty and the Crafty Plus by Storz Bickel. We're going to check out their features, we're going to compare them against each other, and we're going to see what we think of these together. So join me for the rest of this video. So I'm going to open the Crafty first. Let's give it a snip and quality assurance seal. Literally like mini. I'm used to using a Mighty Plus, and this feels very familiar to the Mighty Plus, like in terms of how it feels and how it looks. Yeah, obviously it's much smaller because it's only got half the battery. Looks nice. So let's have a look at the Venty. The Venty is the brand new Storz Bickel device. Crafty Plus has been around for a while. Yeah, this came out at the end of last year. Got myself one, but thought better save opening it to share it with you. So, I'm going to do the same thing and cut the quality assurance seal. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, that feels quite nice in the hand. Obviously a bit bigger than the Crafty, but yeah, and then yeah, twist off. Yeah, that looks great. Oh yeah, it does have some battery. Has a bit of battery, so we'll test that out. We'll see what happens with the Crafty if we turn the Crafty on. Does it come with battery as well? Oh, I think it does. It comes with a little bit of battery, so it'd be rude not to try it, wouldn't it? Wow, that Venty's heated up already. That's one of the problems with lots of Storz Bickel products, is actually how long they take to heat up, but that was in seconds. Wow. It's quicker than I could grind it up to put it in there. That's incredible. Nobody wants to have to wait to take their medicine. Everybody wants to get it straight. Wow. Basic, super, boost. Wow. I'm just going to go for basic for now. Right, that's very easy, very, very, very easy to draw on. There's more air can get through it. The air comes through here and here, and it's just much easier to breathe through. Oh, that's great. You don't have to breathe in very much at all. And let's see, that's only just the Crafty, just ready. Let's. Oh wow! So yeah, that's what the temperature is. I'll keep it at basic at 180 for that. That's so easy to breathe in. It's great. I love that. Now this is a much older device, so it's probably not going to compare to that, but for the price point, it's much harder to get anything off of that. Like, you've got to really use your lungs a lot more, and lots of patients find that fine, but if you struggle with that, maybe this isn't. I mean, yeah, it's a beautiful device. It feels great. It works, but it's not going to compare to this new one, is it? Like, I think that's a thumbs up for both of those devices from me. See you next time.